Hi everyone, it's getting to that time of the year again where I'll be announcing, or not announcing, I've already announced, but I'll be closing registrations for my Stamp by Mail. I normally do 2 or 3 of these a year, so this year we are playing with the Butterfly Gala theme, and I thought I'd just run through the products that you'll be getting and how it works a little bit. So over 4 months, it's $50 per month for 4 months, and over the 4 months, these are the products you'll get. So in the first month, we'll probably get the Butterfly Gala stamp set, and I'll just bring that up closer to you so you can have a good look at that stamp set. And this actually comes with a matching punch. So as you can see, it makes life very easy for cutting out these butterflies. We're actually going to have 2 stamp sets this time. Normally we only have 1, but I love doing birthday cards, and I'm always in need of lots of birthday cards for my team and friends. So we'll also be getting the Itty Bitty Birthdays stamp set as well. Keeping it nice and bright. I'm not a very gingham person, so I thought this time we'll team it up with, instead of the sweet, the paper that comes in the suite, which is a gingham, let's go for something nice and bright and bold and actually use the Designer Series paper, which is called How Sweet It Is, which is actually from a different suite. So it's from a lolly suite, which is all the patterns on that side, but the patterns on the B side, I think, are going to be perfect for working with butterflies. They're beautiful and nice and bright. I'll just quickly flick through them. So you'll get a full pack of these, and you will have oodles of leftovers. So if you do want to use them for other cards, you can. And that one does have lollies on it, so you can perhaps use that for something different. And going with the theme of all of those papers, you will also get, I only have a small share of this at the moment. I have to get a new full roll in, but you'll also be getting some Coastal Cabana and Granny Apple Green ribbon. So it's a double-sided ribbon, which is pretty cool. And you'll also get Pineapple Punch ink pad. You'll get a full pack. I've already just ignore them. You'll get a full pack of glimmer enamel dots, which is perfect because the colours in these match perfectly with the colours in these. So I thought, bingo, that works really well for me. And then because we've got so much colour, I always like to add a pop of black in there. So we are going to be getting also the picker. It's, I can't even see where it is. It's the washi tape. Pick a pattern, I think it's called. So there's 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in different widths in there. So you'll also be getting that. Now I'm just going to bring a nice little display back in so you can see. So like I said, it runs for 4 months. It's $50 a month for the 4 months, and along with all of these products, I also include a card kit for you to make 3 cards per month. So I'll design the cards, send out written instructions. So you'll have 3 cards per month for the 4 months. The first month usually starts off with small amount of product. So you'll have the stamp set and the punch that come. Well, it's not that small. And then I'll provide everything else. And then as the months go on, you'll have all of these products to work with, so your cards become a little bit more involved. Now, if you already have some of the products, you can feel free, like if you already have an ink pad, if you already have one of these ink pads, feel free to swap it for something of the same value. I don't mind if it's another ink pad colour or it's something completely different. As long as it's the same value and fits in, that's fine with me. And also, being that it is celebration time, our first product value is $61. So if you wanted to bump up your order to the $90 mark, then you'll also get to choose a free celebration product. Okay, there are a few little items that you need to have on your own, and if you don't have them, it's probably a really good time to get them. So, being celebration, so you'll need a Coastal Cabana ink pad, a Gorgeous Grape ink pad. I'm getting these out from behind on my thing. You'll need a granny apple green, and one more is, here it is, the odd one out, melon mambo, and you'll also need a black. Now you can choose to get either StazOn. I'm not sure whether we'll be doing any watercolouring or not, but StazOn's probably the best one to get in case we do some watercolouring. In which case you might need a few other bits and pieces like sponges, your adhesive, a Versamark, white embossing powder, and what else? I think that's about it. There's a list of it on my blog of items that you'll probably need to have. But so they're the basics. Registration for Stamp by Mail closes on the 13th of January, and then kits are generally posted out around the 15th of each month after that. So if you have any questions, please let me know, but this is going to be a nice, bright, fun round of Stamp by Mail, so it's going to be quite fun to play with, I think, so you'll want to make sure that you join this one. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. You can also check out my blog. The registration form and sign up and payment details are all on my blog, and which is www.alisatilsner.com, and I hope to see you joining us. Thanks a lot. Bye.